foodies, we're making lamb shanks today. You know, this is everybody's lamb shanks, and it's a humble lamb shank. So the first thing I'm gonna do, and Anthony will show you down here, are 2 lamb shanks we've got. We're gonna get them seasoned up on one side here, just like this. We're gonna get some salt. You can put pepper. I'm putting a little garlic powder and some oregano. And what we're gonna do is get these in our slow cooker, because I'm slow cooking today, everybody. I am slow cooking. So we're gonna get them in here so we can get them all browned up. Now, hopefully this one's going to fit. We'll soon find out. Yes, there we go. They're both fitting. So now what I'm going to do is get some salt on this side. But I'm going to give it just a little olive oil before I season this side, just across like this. A little olive oil. A little olive oil helps to bring out the beautiful, delicious lamb flavor. Let's go back and get some more salt on here. Some oregano. Okay. And some garlic powder. And lamb likes garlic. If you don't like garlic, don't put it. But lamb just loves garlic, okay? All right. So we're going to get these browned on both sides. And then what I'm going to do is put our slow cooker liquid in, which today I've got 1 cup here, Anthony was showing us, of red wine and a cup of beef broth, okay? So I've got that all in here to make 2 cups, and I'm going to get that, and then we're going to cook these for about 3.5 hours on high, or you can go longer on low. All right? Google a recipe for it. It's really quite simple, but it makes your lamb so tender, it's going to fall off this bone, and it's going to make a beautiful meal for us, but for you guys too when you go to cook it. Okay, so let's get this over here. Let's take a look and see how our browning is going here. We're gonna brown both sides here. And let's see. Oh, we're going good. Oh, he's getting away from me. Okay, and I'm gonna flip this one over. There we go. Don't be too worried, because your liquid is gonna go in, and you can brown them as much or as little as you like. I like them just so that they're brown like this. And when we come back, we will continue by adding our broth in. We will add our broth in, and we will close them up and get them cooking. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's, the humble lamb shanks, for those of you that want to know what we're cooking today. Pete out.